Hello friends, since you know that Cashify sell their devices in A, B, C, D and E grades, so today I will tell you that how Cashify decide those gradings for different categories. Before selling the device on super sale, we check device thoroughly on the basis of 32 parameters, which includes physical and functional, all the issues of that device. Now I'm going to tell you that how we decide grading for A category devices. As you can see, I have a phone which is Xiaomi A3 and I can't see any defects in this phone, either physical or functional. Moreover, I can't see any dents, I can't see any scratches in this device, and our QC experts have checked all the QC parameters depends on functional issues, which says this is completely okay device in terms of functional parameters. This is the reason we have categorized this device in A category phone. I have one more phone which is Oppo F17, a newly launched model, and as I can see the condition of this device, which is just like new, no scratches, no dents, no signs of uses, and functional defects is also nil as per our QC experts. This is the reason why we have categorized this Oppo F17 in A category phone. I have third phone which is an iOS phone, Apple iPhone X, a very popular model in iOS series, and as per me there is no scratches, no dents and no functional issues found in this phone. This is the reason why we have categorized this iPhone X in A category phone. Just now I have told you how we decide A grade phones. Now switch to B grade phones, how we decide the grading for B category phones. So there are few issues which is listed in B category phones. If we can see any scratches on the body of phone, if we can see any dents on the body of phone, or we can see any visible scratches at the screen of phone. Along with this, if we found any two minor spots in the display, we categorize those phone in B category phone. If any device have any one or multiple issues among these listed issues, we categorize those phone in B category phone. I have another phone in B grade, which is OnePlus 6. We have graded this phone in B category device because of a dent near to the volume button of this device, which is visible here. Apart from this, we can't see any functional issue in this device. This is the only reason why we have categorized this phone in B grade device. Now I will tell you issues which can be found in C category phones. If body part missing or damaged, body parts like SIM slot damaged, audio jack, camera, volume buttons, lock button is checked for damage and missing. Wi-Fi faulty. Wi-Fi connectivity issues are observed in the phone. If major spots, 3 or more than 3 major spots on screen. If microphone speaker faulty, microphone and speaker are not working properly, quality of audio output is not to be checked here. If camera faulty, one camera is not working properly, one SIM working, only one SIM is working. Heavy dents on body, more than 4 visible dents on body. Battery issue, battery is draining fast. Bulge issue, charging issue, charging port is not working. Panel broken, any visible crack or broken panel. Loose screen, screen pasting issue. Discoloration of display, any kind of visible discoloration over the screen including corners are covered like yellow patches around the corner. If any phone has either one or multiple issues from these listed issues, then that phone can be categorized in category C phones. I have an Apple iPhone 7 and we have categorized this phone in category C because of visible multiple dents on the body. Along with this, there's an issue with volume button as well. This is the reason we have categorized this phone in C category phone. This is another Realme phone and we have checked this phone functionally. We found issue with speaker and mic. Along with that, charging jack is also faulty. This is the reason we have categorized this phone in category C phone. The third phone, Redmi 6A. Why we have categorized this phone in category C? Because of we can see a visible discoloration, yellow patches on the screen. This is the reason this phone has been categorized as a category C phone. This is the list where we categorize phones in D category phone. If any phone has screen damage, cracks on the screen or chipped screen, if any lines, dot, patches, visible issue in display, if touch is faulty, touch is not working properly, it means. Finger sensor, if finger sensor is not working. Face ID, if face ID is not working. If both the cameras are not working. If phone is locked and not accessible to the user, only for Android phones. If phone is continuously restarting in a loop. If phone is D-shaped, body of the phone is bent or distorted. If any one of these or multiple issues are found in a phone, then we categorize that phone in category D phones. Now I will tell you our last category E, which issues are covered in category E. If any iOS or Apple phone has iCloud lock, then this is considered as a E category phone. If any phone have dual SIM and both the SIMs are not working, then this will be a E category phone. Along with this, if any phone is not turning on, then that phone will be also considered as a E category phone. I hope our grading process is now clear to you. In case you have any other questions, please mention that in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.